Good morning. I would like to present my thesis presentation. The title is Analysis, Design, and Implementation of Platform Feature and Their Impact on Learning, Performance, and User Engagement. A case study of FUNTECH.WEB.ID. Okay, let me start with the chapter 1. Yeah, like we know, the increment of the internet recently is very rapid. Yeah, we can see from here. The info is from Badan Pusat Statistik. Yeah, this is the percentage of population aged 5 years and above who access the internet in the last 3 months. We can see from here that the increment of the usement of the internet is really grow. Every year is increment is rapidly increase. Yeah, you can see that, and also during the COVID. They are for the people that using the app like Gojek and Grab or other social media is also increased. And in this case, for those students that using the online platform is also increased. A survey of 58 respondents, it consists of 1 principal and 6 teachers, and also 51 students at Sekolah Global Indo-Asia. We can found for those students that using Udemy or Coursera, yeah, they feel that the learning outcome, user satisfaction, user retention, interactive feature, navigation, accessibility, user interface design, that one is not really satisfied for that kind of learning platform. Yeah, so in this case, this one based on this, yeah, I create the fishbone diagram, which is the problem is low learning performance and user engagement on online learning platform, which is it's caused by the user interface like unintuitive user interface until no clear motivating dashboard. And also we have the navigation interactive feature from poor content search functionality until lack instant feedback, and also accessibility comparability until unresponsive display. Yeah, you can see from here, this one is the fishbone diagram. And then the research problem, from there we can see the research problem. Yeah, the main problem is the user dissatisfaction of the online learning platform, and then it's because of the feature of exception gap design. The design is ineffective, and also navigation issue, accessibility limitation, technical instability, and feedback deficiency. The research objective of this research is to assess the implication of platform design and feature on online learning performance and user engagement, to evaluate the implementation of ITAL4 methodology in the design and development of educational platform and their effect on learning performance and user engagement. And then the research question. Question number 1, how significant is the implication of platform design and feature on learning performance on user engagement? Question number 2, how does the implementation of ITL4 in platform design and feature affect learning performance and user engagement? The hypothesis in this research is platform design and feature significantly impact learning performance and user engagement. And then hypothesis 2, the implementation of ITAL4 in platform design and feature significantly improve learning performance and user engagement by enhancing service delivery, system reliability, and user-centered experience. The research scope is it's only discuss about the enhancing online education, platform design, user engagement, and ITAL4 methodology. The significance of study theoretic benefit, it become impact of platform design. Then we can know also about the user engagement theory, application of ITIL, comparative analysis. The practical benefit will be enhanced platform design, improve user engagement, optimize IT service management, cost-effective education, and best practice for developer. The novelty of the research. The novelty of the research lies in the development and evaluation of FUNTECH.WEB.ID, a new learning platform that integrates AI-driven personalization, sentiment analysis, and ITIL4 methodology to enhance learning performance, user engagement, and certification credibility. And then FUNTECH.WEB.ID offer a structural learning trajectory and sustainable business model to improve accessibility, retention, and trust in online education. For the literature review, this one is the literature review. This one is from 5 journal about the indicator of ITL framework. From this indicator, we can see the summary. The number 1, demand, engage, design, obtain, deliver, product, value, plan, and improve. That one is a summary of the indicator of ITL framework. The ITL. So this is the framework. From this framework, I create the ITL4 framework. This one, you can see this one is the platform design and feature as well. Yeah, this is from 5 journal and also 5 books. Yeah, the dimension of platform design. So there are 12 dimensions from educational affordance until the technical stability. Based on the primary survey that I was already conduct, this research only discuss number 1 until number 5, which is user interface, interactive feature, navigation, accessibility, and technical stability. And then learning performance and user engagement, we also have the dimension. It's using 5 journal and 5 books. Yeah, in this case, from learning outcome until user interface design. Based on the primary survey, this research only discuss learning outcome, user satisfaction, user engagement, and user retention. The method that I'm using is using ITL4 framework, and then this one is from this framework, I create my own framework based on the ITL4. And then for the quantitative and data collection, this one is the population of the SMP and SMA. We have 56,668 students. And then from that, the sampling involves 71 students from Sekolah Global Indonesia, which is the total is 400 students in here. And then for the qualitative data collection, the total sample is 10 people from 5 students, 3 teachers, and 2 IT experts. Yeah, in this case, I'm already doing the 9 testing, from static testing, dynamic testing, until automation testing, and all is passed. The quantitative is using following this kind of method from data description until hypothesis test. The descriptive analytic, this one we have the variable X and Y, which is the variable X is platform design and feature, Y is learning performance and user engagement. In this case, the mean value of X is 53.97, mean value of Y is 54.25, and all is, you can see from the descriptive analysis, is all very good. The diagnostics analytic, we can see the platform design is 0.756, and also learning performance is 0.740, which is this one is also reliable and also valid. This is the predictive analysis. We are using the Spearman correlation. The result is 0.651, and also R square is 0.565, and the eta square is 0.720. And then this one is variance explained by platform design in learning outcome. We have 56.50. This is the impact. Okay, this is the reason for why the result is like above. Number 1 is the learning performance engagement, the ultimate goal of the platform design and feature, addressing key issue until measurement instrument. We have that, and also this is the hypothesis based on the result. We can see with an R2 of 0.565, this model is able to explain about 56.5 of the variation in learning achievement and user engagement, indicating that platform design is very important component for learning outcome. For the qualitative, the descriptive analysis, The technical support for teacher is limited, functional, but satisfied teacher support needed. Tracking and quiz feature, highly functional feature, enhance user satisfaction. The input-based update is functional update fail to satisfy user expectation, and the last one is lack of internal communication tool. Low functionality lead to user dissatisfaction. The diagnostic analytic, in here, feedback mechanism, we have established official feedback, integrated technical support, create a clear help center, centralized communication, and user-centric design. And we have also the predictive analytic, prescriptive, and the reason, this is the reason why the result is like that. Yeah, number one is user support, reliance on external tools, lack of official help center, and it needs for the continuous improvement, which is stagnation in development, lack of continuous feedback, and also it needs engagement, absence of structured feedback channel will be inconsistent user engagement also. And the last one is communication infrastructure, inadequate communication tool, poor integration system. The conclusion, this one is the conclusion. The result of the prescriptive, diagnostic, predictive, prescriptive show that platform design and feature greatly affect user engagement and learning outcome. And also for how does the implementation of ITL in platform design and feature affect learning performance and user engagement? To better understand, we user perception and experience, use the FGD, and also develop and test AI-based chatbot, and also add structured feedback, see how the platform improve will be a long-term impact on the student retention. The future is better to develop and test an AI-based chatbot or internal help desk to see how user support and satisfied. This one is the future work. The recommendation, yeah, e-learning platform developer should consider structure, design, and feature. Educational institutions should consider the ITL4 principle, and also to ensure strategic and responsive improvement to the platform, formal and easily accessibility feedback channel are needed for both platform manager and user. To gain a better understanding of user behavior in the context of digital learning, future researcher should be combined quantitative and qualitative approach. This is the reference that I'm using and evidence. Thank you for